Doctors have always been seen as leaders and innovators. That's never been any more important than it is right now in this new norm. We're experiencing unreliable content, digital complexity, and global competition. We're now in the midst of what's being called a fourth culture doctor movement. The fourth culture doctor, led by a doctor that is part artist, part engineer, part scientist, part technologist, and even part entrepreneur. They are recombining and synthesizing diverse new ideas. Doctors are coming together as part of this fourth culture doctor movement in order to have a positive social impact on health, wellness, and well-being.